Okay. So, everyone, welcome to our best animation of. I'm just sleepy today. It's a yawn. Okay, sorry about that. Tired. Well, anyway, we're going to get started on our best animation ever with our stuffed toys. Got it? Stuffed toys. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Got it? Good. Or you can leave a thumbs up. And pretend this red thing here is the subscribe button. And click that bell for notifications. And then click that bell for notifications. So what do you think of, if you think something about this video, write a comment in the comment section below. Sorry about that. Now they're on. Anyway, let's get started. I've been tired of this stuff. Just wanted something else. Yoshi! Yeah? Come here. Let's play Uno. Yeah, we need Sam, come on, let's play Uno. Okay. Cards. Game is start on the light side, guys. No, start on the dark side. Why is this Uno flip? Apparently. Sort of all the cards out. Quicker. Spotify. Go search Rocket Gaming. For ad-free music. Go search for Rocket Gaming. Search for Rocket Gaming. You can search for Rocket Gaming in Spotify. Look at me. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Sam goes first. Alright. Cat Toad is next. Got it. And then Yoshi. Okay. We need green, don't we? Yeah, we need green. Okay. Sam's cards. Ding, ding, ding. They were told to flip the deck. Now the deck gets flipped. And now is orange. Oh, right. Should have been on the dark side. We'll keep it on the light side. Okay, that was the dark side. Hey, out here. Hey, get out. Get out. No, wait. Oh, bye. I'll be right back. You stay here with the others. I've been like in this fort for so long now. I know. No, it's not. It is Cat Toad's turn. Cat Toad's light side. Dark side. Okay, lay down to 7, guys. Okay, Yoshi's turn. Okay, it's Yoshi's turn. Okay, I changed the color to pink. Okay, it's pink. Sam. We know what Sam's. Well, anyway, we just showed you everyone's cards, so you know what cards they have now. But if you don't know what Sam's dark side cards were, here they are. Okay, I laid it down. Okay, guys, I laid it down. Wait, you sit there? Yes. Okay, I laid it. Cat Toad, your turn. Okay. Oh, wait, dark side, right? Yeah, it's the dark side. Okay, I'm gonna check my cards. Let's lay down. Oh, man. Oh, man, I have to draw. Wasn't good. Okay, my turn. Wait, where are my cards? Oh no, where'd my cards go? Ah, where'd my cards go? Oh, there they are. This is the pin, right? Okay, checking my cards. Aha! Your turn. Your turn, Sam. Okay, checking my cards. God, I don't have it. Yeah. Guess I have to draw. Hey, that's not nice. Hey, but what the heck was that for? Darn. How are you going for it? Just go with that. Yeah, fine. Still drawing. Yes! Yes, I can play that one. Okay, my turn. All right, I got nothing good. I have to draw again. Oh yeah, I have to draw again. Ugh, since you don't have any of that, I'll just change it. Sorry, Cat Toad. Changing it to teal. Yes, finally! No color. Okay. Wait, what do I? Oh no, purple. Finally another color. Who turned it? Sam. Sam's turn. Oh yeah. Let's see. Purple. Reverse. Back to you. Okay, back to me. Okay. Cat Toad. What? Why is it my turn? There was a reverse card. Oh. 1 as in the number. What number you are? Okay. Me. +5. Draw Cat Toad. Draw 5 Cat Toad. God. I don't know why I have to draw. Yoshi, your turn. Okay. Okay, I drew it. Okay, Sam, your turn. Nothing good. Alrighty. Okay, Cat Toad, your turn. Well, at least I have a 4. Okay, Yoshi, your turn. Uno. 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 Repeat yourself. You said it once already. Oh yeah, right. Sam, your turn. I don't have anything. I have to draw for this one. Yes! 1! No. And I have a 7. Got it? 7. Okay, 7. Got it. A 7. Okay then, so 7. Someone even gonna change back the color? Okay, your turn. Later we'll be watching Johnny's shows. Wait. Michael's Fire tablet's broken. Right. Watching Camille's iPad. Yeah. Watching the iPad. Well, isn't the iPad filming? The other one! The other one! Oh, right. Sam's turn. My turn? Okay. Draw 5, Cat Toad. Yoshi, your turn. Sam. You. Nope, nothing good. My turn. Flip it. Whoop. 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 Oh.
Alright, we'll stop
Yoshi.
this for now, okay?
No! Okay, then we'll make it part 1. Bye, guys. To be continued.